Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites so you don't stop mid-task. Make sure your iPhone runs the required iOS and that the Google/Gemini app is installed. Once done, unlock the phone and open settings. This is where the system level toggles live. You'll also want your passcode or Face ID handy because you'll change app permissions. Now go to Settings and scroll to the app entry for Google or Gemini. That's the first actionable step to access assistant controls and permissions. You're in the App Settings page. Now remove the assistant's active privileges. First, turn off background app refresh so it can't run in the background. Next, disable notifications and Siri suggestions to stop prompts. Then tap Privacy and Permissions and revoke microphone and camera access. Assistants need those to listen or interact. If the app has a specific assistant toggle, switch that off. These steps stop the assistant from launching automatically and cut off its core inputs and alerts. Finish by removing visible entry points. Delete Gemini widgets and disable any custom keyboard extension in Settings right arrow General right arrow keyboard. Then force quit the app and restart your iPhone to ensure system caches update. Make sure to check Settings right arrow Privacy again after reboot to confirm permissions stayed off. If the assistant still appears, reinstall the app and immediately deny permissions during setup or reset app permissions in Settings. That usually resolves persistent behavior. That single troubleshooting tip solves most stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.